Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add your music on Snapchat. So the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a Snapchat account. But now guys, let's see how you can add what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the screen where you have your stories and your friends. We have the spotlight where you can check out some videos. We have your camera where you can of course snap any videos, and we have your location and your chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add your music on Snapchat. Well, it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically what you need to do is click in the middle on the camera. And then when you're in the middle on the camera, you just need to take a snap. So for instance, I'll take a snap of a black screen. And then all you need to do is go to the sidebar, where as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth option is the music option. So you can see the note here, which you just need to click on. Here you need to go and find a song. For instance, let's go for this song here. Click on it. When you click on it, you will have it displayed on your screen, and then you just need to move it where you want. See, like this, So guys, that's the video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.